Hello guys, and welcome to another beautiful video. In this video I'm going to be showing you 5 reasons why you are probably not making sales, and I'm going to explain to you how you can fix them. My name is our Gman Isioto, and I teach you how to do stuffs online. I show you how you can earn more online. So if you're joining us in this video for the first time, this is your first time coming on to my channel, you can just do well to like this video, share this video, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you are just coming in for the first time. And if you have anything issues that have to do with sales in your business, I want you to state it in the comment section. Okay, just say I have challenge in so. Just tell me what your challenge is in the comment section, and I'll give you a response that will help you to solve the challenge. Okay, so quickly let's jump into the reasons why you are probably not making sales in your business. All right, reason number 1 is that your business is probably not addressing the client's need. Okay, this could mean that your business is not solving problem. Yes, this is one of the biggest issues of business owners. They create a business, they create a solution without even knowing what the client actually wants, without even finding out what the audience wants. For instance, you are trying to create a product that will help, a weight loss product. You need to really find out, you need to really do your research to actually know what your client actually wants, because when you don't do that, it's going to be a waste of time creating a solution that people really don't want, and people don't have time to waste. There's a lot of distractions out there. So if your product is not actually meeting their needs, you are probably gonna have problems with making sales. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2, your marketing may be poor. Yes, your marketing may be poor. If you're trying to sell too soon, that is one of one kind of marketing problem that a lot of people have. You're trying to promote a product and somebody shows interest and you're just telling the person to buy. People don't like to be sold to. Okay, people like a conversation. Okay, when you have conversation with your prospect and you actually have spent time to show empathy, discuss, have conversation, people actually have a feeling that you are concerned about them, not just to be sold to. So you need to understand that people don't want to be sold to, and when you're trying to sell, just selling, it gives them a feeling of it's like this person is not concerned about me. So this might be one of the reasons why you are not making sale. There are so many marketing issues, poor marketing issues that relates to why you are not selling. Okay, you need to find out that in your business. You need to find out what you're not really doing correctly. If you think you're not really getting your marketing as the best way you can do it, I want you to comment below and say, hey, I want to learn how to market better. Comment in the comment section. Okay, so the next one is wrong location. Now, a lot of people don't know how to locate their business. If you're marketing in the wrong direction or your business is located in the wrong place, it means that it may be hard for your customers to find you. Yes, if you don't locate your business in the right place. For instance, you're trying to sell a product, a digital product, and you're running adverts in a newspaper. It's not going to work. People, when you're marketing a digital product, say maybe you want to market a course, you want to market a video, you need to target people who are online. Or say for instance, you want to target a product that should be offline and you're pushing it online. It's not going to work. So you need to understand, or you want to sell something, that you want to locate your restaurant somewhere. You need to understand where is the best spot, where is the best location for your business. Are your clients on WhatsApp? Are they on Instagram? Are they on Facebook? Are they students? Where are they located? You need to understand that, because once you have a wrong location for your business, you're going to have you will struggle. You will definitely struggle with making sales for your business. All right, so you need to understand how to locate your business. If the business is online, if the business is offline, you need to understand where you position yourself so that your clients can find you and so that you can find your clients. This is one of the issues with sales. Okay, so let's go to the third one, the fourth one. The fourth one, it's probably that you are not following up. Yes, some people just let go after the first no, after your prospect tells you, I'm not really ready, I'm not serious, I'm not really interested. You forget about them, you let them go, and that is why you're not making sales. Okay, one of the things you need to understand is that people are always bombarded with so many information every day, every minute. Thousands of information are flying in the air, and people can get distracted too quickly. In seconds, people can get distracted. So what you are supposed to be doing as a business owner, as somebody who owns a business, as somebody who wants to make sales, you need to find a way to keep your business in front of them. You need to find a way to always make sure that they are seeing your business. How do you do this? You have to create a system where a strategy where you can market using content. You need to use content marketing. Content marketing is a way you can actually educate them, inform them continuously, so that even when they are not yet ready to buy your product or your services, they are still seeing you, they are still having you in mind. Okay, the more they see you, the more they have you in mind, the more they know that you exist. Then when they decide to buy, they can remember quickly that you are there. This is one of the things that makes people not to sell, because they are not following up, they are not putting their business out there, they are not pushing it. Okay, what's the fifth one? You're not targeting the right people who really need your products. If you're trying to sell to everybody, it can put a strain on your marketing efforts and waste your productive time. There are countless number of times where I've seen people trying to sell to people, and they are selling. They are trying to sell to everybody. Maybe they just start a new business and they are calling everybody. Hey, I just started. Hey, we just launched a new business. Everybody, no. What you're supposed to do is to find out who is your business for, who is your ideal client, who is the person that needs what you're offering. You need to understand that, because once if you don't understand that, you'll be wasting so much energy trying to sell to everybody. At the end of the day, you may not get sales. For instance, if you are a realtor, you're trying to sell land to people. I've seen countless times where people come to me and they say, come and buy land. I'm not interested in buying land right now. I know definitely I'm going to go into real estate. Yeah, some of us may have to go into real estate, but I'm not ready. So what I'm saying is, you need to target people who are rich, people who are willing, interested, hungry to buy real estate properties. Now, this is what you need to understand in your business. It also applies to other types of business. Okay, for instance, I've had somebody bombarding me with pictures of beauty products. I'm not interested in beauty products. Okay, you need to understand this, because if you don't understand it, you keep stressing yourself selling to people who are not interested, and it's very frustrating after you've talked for so long and the person tells you, I'll get back to you. Very frustrating. Okay, so you need to understand that your targeting should be directed to people who are very much interested in what you're selling and very much hungry to have it at that time. Okay, so how do we fix all of these problems? How do we fix these problems of sale? The first thing you need to do is to find out what your customers really want. This will help you in creating the best solution that will meet their needs. For instance, if I'm going to create a product that should help people to travel to Canada, or say maybe I want to target, I want to help business owners. Let's use this. I want to help business owners to get more sales. Okay, I'm going to really have to take my time and find out what is their challenge, what is their everyday challenge with getting and attracting clients. I need to find out how do they get their clients, the former clients they've been getting. How do they get their clients? Where are their clients located? The real people who are going to be paying for that, for that business, for that product. Where are they located? What time do they come out? I'm going to have to do all of this research just to ensure that I offer the best solution to them. Because when you take your time to find out about all of these things, it makes your job easier when you're creating your solutions. Okay, this is one way to fix it. Then the second way to fix it is to use your best marketing strategy, which is suitable for any type of business you're doing. If you're doing a business, you need to understand that your marketing strategy is very important. There are different marketing strategies you could be using. You can decide and target and say, I want to get 10 people in a month, depending on your business. I want to get 100 people in a month. You need to fix that as a goal. You need to tell yourself, okay, what method of advertising will I be using? Depending on your business, do you want to use traditional marketing strategy or you want to use digital marketing strategy? You need to understand that, because if you don't, you're going to keep stressing yourself and you may probably not get sales. If you're going to be using online means, digital means to advertise, you need to understand, where are they located? Are they on Facebook? Are they on Instagram? Are they on TikTok? Are they on LinkedIn? Is my business focused on B2B, business to business? Is my business focused on business to customers? You need to understand that. Who are your customers? All right, these are some of the things you really have to look into when you are strategizing how you will market your business. Okay, I hope this is helping you. If you're getting value from what you're watching right now, I need you to comment below and say, I am getting value. Now, what is the secret to getting more sales? The secret to getting more sales is targeting the right people using Facebook. All right, there are plenty of people on Facebook. That is why you should be using Facebook to market your business. There are thousands, millions of Nigerians on Facebook, and many of these people are on their smartphones. You can target them right in their rooms, you can target them right on their phones, and you can get them to do what you want them to do. Now, if you're struggling with getting more sales in your business and you want to learn how you can start getting consistent sales for your business, you can click the link on your screen to join other students who are making more than one sales, making thousands of sales with Facebook advertising. Click the link in the video to take you to a page where you will learn more about how you can start getting consistent sales for your business. So guys, this is all about getting sales for your business. This is all what it is. If you've gotten value from this video, I need you to like this video, share this video, comment. If you have questions for me, comment underneath in the comment section. I'm going to put this link in the description section of this video, so if you want to still find it, you can go to the description. Please don't forget to subscribe to this video, and when you subscribe, please hit the notification bell so that when I place more video, when I put out more videos, you will get notified. Thank you so much for staying and watching this video. Take care.